What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Bray, and I'm back once again, man, with another how-to video. I done did a couple how-to videos. They done blew up. This time I'm back with another one. Okay, so as you guys may know, I drive a Honda Accord. I seem to have a problem. You guys can't really tell. You can't really tell. Well, you can. Y'all see that? So basically, I woke up this morning and I discovered that my brake lights weren't turning off. So I kind of brushed the situation off for a minute, but I was like, it is what it is at this point. So I searched it up and I figured out what it was. So it's basically this small little piece. I don't know if you guys can see it. This small little piece. This is where, like, when you press down on your brake and once the brake releases, it pushes a button that turns the brake light off. Well, this little piece broke. So I'm going to show you guys how to replace it. And it's under $10. I only paid like $8 for it. But yeah. And this is the part. This is the part. A domain help. This is the part that I'll be replacing. I'm gonna show you guys how to replace this part. So yeah, stay tuned. If you ain't already like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna go ahead and subscribe. Click post notifications. This will better view. Basically, y'all see that? Hold up. Y'all see that black thing right there on the brake right there? Y'all see right there? I don't even see what I'm looking at on camera. Right there, there it is. That thing right there. If that white thing is not going in, then your brake light won't cut off. But that's basically all I did was put that little black piece in there. Now it's working, just like new. Alright, so excuse my dirty flow. But I'm finna try to see, can I put the camera and set it up in there so y'all can see it. You see where that white thing is right there? And it's a part that go right in there.
This is what it looks like. Hopefully y'all can see how it looks.
Oh, this for the other one. Well, the part that's in there. Okay, that's it. So hopefully y'all was able to see what I did. I fixed the whole thing. So yeah, I fixed it. That's basically all you have to do. If you give me just a second, I'll be explaining what I did. Finally finished, man. I conquered it. It was kind of hard, but I got it completed. So that's basically all you have to do when your brake lights don't turn off. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Click post notification. Also, comment down below if you want to see more how-to videos, because I've done a lot of mechanical things with cars, the house, like little small things around the house, etc. Like, comment down below if you guys enjoy this content. But that's it for the video. Peace out.